Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, network, and data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It is a critical part of our modern world as we increasingly rely on technology to conduct our personal or professional lives. Why is cybersecurity important? Cybersecurity is important because it protects us from a wide range of threats, including malware. Malware is malicious software that can damage or disable your computer system. Examples of malware including viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. Phishing. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack that attempts to trick you into revealing confidential information such as your password or credit card numbers. Denial of service (DOS) attacks. DOS attacks attempt to overwhelm a computer system with traffic, making it unavailable to legitimate users. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Man-in-the-middle attacks occur when an attacker intercepts a communication between two parties and impersonates one of them. How to protect yourself from cyber threats? There are a number of things you can do to protect yourself from cyber threats, including use strong passwords and multiple factor authentication. Strong passwords are at least 12 characters long and include a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Multiple factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts by requiring you to enter a code from your phone in addition to your password. Keep your software up to date. Security patches that can protect you from known vulnerabilities. Be careful what links you can click on and what attachments you open. Phishing attacks often involve links in emails and attachments that contain malware. If you are unsure about a link or attachment, do not click on it. Use a firewall and antivirus software. A firewall can help protect your computer from unauthorized access, while antivirus software can help detect and remove malware infections. Conclusion. Cybersecurity is important for everyone, and there are a number of things you can do to protect yourself from cyber threats. By following the tips above, you can help keep your data and devices safe. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.